Dmitry Bilevsky. I would present you a new product of Technical Center Internet, a blacklist aggregator. You shouldn't think that blacklists are only Roskomnadzor, Russian authority. You see, obviously, a picture to draw your attention. This is a referral to our previous joint project where Technical Center Internet has engaged jointly with the leading Russian internet companies. We have developed a database on the domains that are, say, misbehaving or behaving maliciously, suspected. And right now the Netoscope data is being used as one of the sources of data for our new project, blacklist monitoring. Where did it come from? It came from the requirements of ICANN during new GTLD start that every domain must provide for an automated monitoring. There was nothing else on the market, thus we had to develop it with our own efforts. How does it work? It works quite in a simple manner. It gets the data from the sources, from the list of interested domains, and once understands that for GTLD is just a suffix. For some finer tunings or settings, that there would be a list. We are aggregating those lists, but we need to unify classification. Something is not completed, and then we are generating reports that are being mailed to the clients. Well, it's clear it's not a rocket science, and a number of new modules that allow us to start having new lists, mainly two methods, and then we are generating reports and distributing them. What does it mean for, first of all, for registries? First of all, it was being developed for the registries because that's an ICANN requirement. We are ready to provide that to registrars and are ready to provide that to hosters, but then we encounter a relatively stupid problem whether any person can be allowed to get information that there are certain threat sources at a specific domain, or should we somehow establish whether there's a link between this person with a specific domain, whether he's a representative of a host or whatever. That's it. Thank you. Yep, indeed, that was a rather short a true blitz.